Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I am so excited to be here with you guys. We are going to do a quick rundown of some new makeup products at the drugstore that are hits and that are misses. But before we get started, actually I forgot, make sure you subscribe and like today's video for more content. And make sure you watch my latest Q&A that I just posted on YouTube, where I talk more about what is up with this YouTube channel, what's coming, what can you expect, and so many more things that you guys were wondering about. And I have another Q&A coming up. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Let's start with the products that I really hate, because that is something different that I normally don't do on my YouTube channel, right? I never really talk about things that I don't like. And I think it's important to talk about the things that are misses, right? These are Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint. Now, I was really excited about this because a teddy tint, I was envisioning more like Korean beauty trends where the lip color is just in the center and then everything else is kind of nude. And so that's kind of like what I was envisioning. So I was really excited about this. I am wearing the color that the model in the advertisement was wearing, and what drew me to actually get these as well. I'm wearing it right now. I think the color is great, right? It's this one right here. The color is great. I thought I was gonna love it, which is why I got two other colors, like a nude and another reddish pink. But if you put your lips together, they stick together. And normally I wouldn't see, when they stuck together, it left me like a line right here of color that is now missing. So it's not uniform anymore. Another thing is that they are really hard to remove. And this one is Petal Core number 40. I like that it matches kind of like the blush and my little headband and everything, but the formula itself just is not it. Like, I wouldn't wear this. It feels uncomfortable. It's so sticky and it's so incredibly hard to remove. Even with micellar cleansing water or a face wash, like even if I go over my lips with a cleanser, all of my other makeup just melts away, but there's always residue left. It doesn't feel fresh and bare after removing the lip color. Like, there's always like this residue left over. Another product that I definitely would not recommend is also by Maybelline. I was so disappointed because I love Maybelline and there's so many products that I love from this brand. But the Curl Bounce Colossal Mascara was not a hit for me because it didn't allow me to build my lashes. The finish is very like spiky lash, like straws, sticks. You know, the lashes don't look good. You can't add more coats. It takes forever to like build anything up, so you're not going to be able to build up. At least I wasn't able to, and I usually could with every mascara that I purchase, but I couldn't build up like volume, right? They just look like tiny little sticks, and that's not a good look. So I would not be buying this again, and I don't know if you can return mascaras. I'm guessing you could, but this product is going back. The next product that is going back is this one from Physicians Formula, which is one of my favorite brands at the drugstore. Now, this is not a horrible product whatsoever. However, it's nothing new and exciting or like, whoa, what a difference. This one is the Mineral Wear Diamond Dust. They have a whole diamond collection, and they have some great products in that collection. This one just was not doing anything in particular for me. It's just like a dust of shimmer on your face, and the reflection that it gives is more of a rose gold reflection, and I'm not much into a rose gold reflection right now. So another product that honestly I'm a little disappointed in. I was really hoping to love it, but it was not it. This one's from Wet n Wild, and the concept, amazing, like a chrome finish. When you shift positions, it gives you a yellow, it gives you like a gold, a purple, a green, right? So as you're shifting, it gives you a different chameleon, like a chameleon. So it's the Wet n Wild Chameleon Chrome Eyeshadow Foil. Now, I think it will look good on top of a product, but you can't really build it up too much without it getting flaky. and one swipe is just not giving what it needs. And for me, this is a pass, even though I was super excited about a chameleon, chrome, foil, you know what I mean? So I do have a lot of products that I'm returning. Usually I don't return anything, but I am. Now another miss for me is this pink lip color. It was designed to release dopamine, right? It's designed to make you feel happy, because color makes you happy, which is so true. It's a matte ink. The color is called Optimist. Always the Optimist, I love that. But it's just a pink lip color, nothing special, you know, but if you are in need of a pink, hot pink lip color, check this one out. But I will return it because I have found something better in the same color almost. Now, let's go to some incredible products that I just feel like are just so incredible, right? So from the same Physicians Formula Diamond collection, they have these two lip colors, a clear one with like diamond color. Now I think I read on the packaging that it said that it had real diamonds, but I don't think so. I got to do more research on that, but that's what I read, real diamonds. Anyways, this is the Mineral Wear Lip Plumper, and the colors are phenomenal. Obsessed. So this one gives you a clear with a little bit of a like a silver diamond finish, right? But it doesn't show up as silver. And then this pink one is my favorite. This is like a baby doll pink, glossy, just really beautiful lip color, and I absolutely love it. So the colors that I got is the Pink Radiant Cut and then Diamond Marquise. So definitely check these out. You are gonna love them. A few other lip colors that I would just have in my purse, right? Just to have a hydrating lip, juicy, glossy, without the stickiness, without the drama of a lip color, something that you just want to have and you just want to reapply throughout the day. And I don't know what it is, but I just want something like that. Like that for me is something that I would keep in my purse just to kind of touch up. And these are lip oils. They are non-sticky, hydrating lip colors, and these two shades, obsessed with these two shades. So again, this is more of like a baby lips type of pink, and this one is from L'Oreal Paris. It's hyaluronic acid, so really nice and hydrating, what we love. And it's a lip oil, so it's, you know, it's not sticky, it's just hydrating and glossy. And this one is from e.l.f. This one does, however, have shimmer inside. It's the Glow Reviver lip oil with a glimmer finish. But I really love these products. All of these 4 glosses are my favorite right now. Really great colors and formulas at the drugstore. Now let's talk about blush and bronzers that are pretty incredible. So we're gonna start off with Essence. Oh, I found so many great Essence products this time around. These are the 3 colors that I picked out. These are the Baby Got Blush and Baby Got Bronze. This bronzer definitely gives, it shows up. Like it's a really nice, rich, bronzy color. A little bit more cool tone, but still warm enough to, you know, warm up the complexion. And so the applicator is a twist off. So make sure you twist it on and off. And you just apply a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. And the colors that I would definitely recommend for the blush, Pinkalicious and Coral Crush. This is the one I'm wearing today. Another Essence product is this matte bronzer. I love the big disc aspect of this, and it smells really delicious. It kind of just takes me back to the old school makeup days. This is the type of makeup that I really love as well, that it's affordable, but it just gives you what you need without breaking the bank. And I love how big it is. I love that it does have color payoff. It warms up the complexion, gives me a sun-kissed look. So definitely check out a matte bronzing powder like this one. You are gonna love it, and the color is called Sunny. Another really great product from Physicians Formula is the Diamond Filler. This is a cheek and lip color. The color payoff here is pretty incredible, actually. Let me swatch it for you. So this, you're definitely gonna get some color, and it's Brilliant Peach, so beautiful, Put this on your eyelid, even though it doesn't say it's for your eyes, but I like a little bit of color on the eyelid. Put it on your cheeks, put it on your lips, monochromatic look, and you're gonna have something pretty phenomenal, right? It's just gonna bring your face to life. I learned this trick of adding pink blush, or like a pink, not a super bright pink, but just kind of like matching the lip color, the cheek color, and a little bit on the eyes, just to bring your face back to life. And it's such a difference. I learned that from a makeup artist from Pixie Beauty. So really love those. And then last but not least, I do want to recommend these vinyl longwear lip colors. They are really bold and intense lip colors. The payoff is incredible. It is a longwear formula, but it's not the same longwear formula, I don't think, from these Teddy tints, because this actually does come off with micellar water and you don't have like a residue behind, and the colors are really amazing. So the ones that I would highly recommend, this one right here. I know it looks really intense. It's a wine color. It's actually called Fearless, and it's just like a reddish wine. It looks brown, but it's more of a reddish wine. So what I would do, I would go head to toe in a monochromatic burgundy wine brownish kind of look. Do minimal makeup, all gold accessories, just, you know, like jewelry. I'm gonna match my bag and my shoes to my whole entire outfit, and then I'm gonna wear this lip color, head to toe monochromatic. Obsessed. This color is very in style right now, so I highly recommend it. And then these are just really fun spring, summer, pink shades. If I had to recommend anything, definitely this pink one. This one is called Striking. I love a good striking color. Just mascara, bronzed look, and striking on Latinas, you know, a nice lip color. Love this one. And then this one is more of a mauve purple and a bubblegum pink. So you can have fun. And I really love these. So try out whatever color you love from, of course, the drugstore. They have way more shades, but these are the ones that I don't have with me currently right now, and they are super fun and colors that I love to wear, because I really love to wear makeup to be bold and make a statement, you know, and not be so neutral with my makeup, because when I do wear makeup, I want to make a statement and have fun and be creative and add color. Color makes me happy, right? And I did get a few things that I haven't really tested out for a longer period of time from NYC. So I got the face glue. I've been wanting to get my hands on it, and I've been seeing mixed reviews on this, but it was the gimmicky aspect of it, right? Like glue for your face really caught my attention, and it actually looks like glue when you put it on, like Elmer's glue. So I'll definitely try this out even more and report back to you guys. And then e.l.f. has the soap brows, and they also have the clear formula, which is not the soap brows, it's just to kind of, you know, laminate them a little bit more. This one is really nice. I'm really excited to try this one out just a little bit more. I've been filling in my eyebrows and giving them shape more so than just this brow soap look. And then a few other products that I wanted to test out is the Liquid Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. And I also bought a brush. It doesn't come together. This brush is actually for the, not the cream, but like the wax, more wax formulas, because it does have a little spatula on the end so you can scoop it out and then buff it into your skin with this. But I really love the shape of this brush. It reminds me of the one from It Cosmetics. Really great brush for just buffing out your foundation. So even if you don't want to use this specifically for the putty primer, definitely pick this one up for your foundation or for blending out contour or blush. Just such a great brush. Anyways, ladies, if you are going on vacation, you're looking for that dewy glow, check out the Dewy Coconut Mist. Smells like coconuts, and you're gonna have that dewy look. Put some beach salt spray in your hair and just let it run wild and have a gorgeous time on vacation. It's coming up, spring break. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment. I love to talk to you guys in the comment section. I really look forward to reading your comments. So with that being said, have a blessed and beautiful day, and don't forget to sign up for my retreat to Bali in July 2025 coming up. So have a gorgeous, blessed, and beautiful day, and I will see you all pretty soon.